Either the crossings are going down super early for some reason. Zach, I'm recording. Be quiet.
Oh, sorry.
It's all right. Norfolk Southern here forgot to turn off his ditch lights. He's not moving, but he still has his ditch lights on. What?
Oh, there's a big beaver critter about to cross the tracks.
Uh-oh. Yeah, I see him. I'll zoom in. He's just hanging on there. I'm pretty sure, and that's not the track, that's the CSX.
He's going.
I'm pretty sure he'll get scared by the train. Stop! Be quiet. He's honking his horn. Mom, be quiet. He's honking his horn. He might be a nice. This is a no horn zone, so. Back up. Uh-oh. He did a shave and a haircut! Bro, you called it. You even said on the next train, you're like, I wish they'd give us a shave and a haircut. Awesome. Yeah. Yeah, Zach was even like, I wish they gave us a shave and a haircut. That'd be awesome. And what do you know? The next train gives us a shave and a haircut.
Yeah.
All right.
120 tonight.
All right. Bye. Remember, I'm the circus train kid.